welcome to my YouTube channel NAYAN the Legend King. So guys, our topic is how to start a pig farm. So today we are going to discuss about how we can start a pig farm. So guys, first and foremost, for starting a pig farm we should buy a pig. It is important that you prepare the pure breed stock from an acknowledged breeders that has quality pure breed stock, which is greatly helpful. And secondly, we should feed 3 times in a day if possible. Otherwise 2 times is enough. Thirdly, we should give water facility so that after eating the food they can easily drink. Fourthly, we should make the room comfortable so that in each room only one mother can stay. And always keep the room neat and clean, cause many diseases comes through the dirt of the rooms. And lastly, we should always keep eyes so that no one can enter our pig's room. Actually, no one means outside people, cause some people has bad eyes. It may fall on them. So this is enough today. So see you all in my next video. If anyone has come new, please cooperate, please subscribe and share the chat. Thanks. Bye bye.